Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching the video today. We have an earwax extraction video for you, so you can see a large lump of what looks like quite sticky earwax. So I've opted to go in with a Jobson Horne here, so it's a bit shaky when we start off here, but we're just going over the top of the wax. You can see the slight bend in the Jobson Horne, so we're trying to get behind this initial section of wax to take this away. The reason I opted for the Jobson Horne over the standard size Ulna for this one is the sticky nature of this wax. If you put a standard size Ulna into this, that's all that's going to happen is you're going to get a very minimal amount of wax out before it blocks the end of the suction, so you're constantly clearing that suction tube out all the time. Whereas with the Jobson Horne, we can get the majority of this away quite easily. So you can see we're always going just behind the wax, just teasing it down the canal. Just working mainly on the center pieces of wax. Sometimes we're lucky and you'll take whole great big chunks away, but other times not. So now I've got the majority of the center section of this wax away. I've opted to go for the standard size Ulna to just clear what's adhering to the canal walls. Now the reason I've done that is because the canal walls are very sensitive, and when you're using a Jobson Horne, especially when you've got a lot of wax adhering to the walls as we have here, when you take the Jobson Horne along the canal wall, sometimes you can inadvertently just touch the canal wall or scrape against it, and then you cause some discomfort for the patient basically. So what I'm doing with the standard size Ulna is just loosening it from the canal walls using the suction, so peeling it away and then taking that center section away. And we'll do the same here at the base. You can see we're just trying to find the leading edge of this wax. There you go. Just maneuvering that wax off the canal wall. You can see just how sticky this wax is there. You see, so it's you can see the canal wall is just there. So if you'd used a Jobson Horne on that with that slight bump in the canal there, you would have quite easily touched that. So I'm just working on this final section of wax. Just trying to maneuver this out. There we go. It's working its way down the canal. You see how soft and sticky this is? See how it's breaking away and pulling apart? It's almost like a treacle or toffee consistency. It's pulling away, but we've got that section away now. There you go. There's a little bit more behind it. You can see this is looking a little bit darker, this wax. Guys who watch the videos a lot know that when the darker the wax is, the older it is. And there we go, there's the eardrums all looking nice and healthy. This is what we removed. You can see the lighter wax to the right hand side, darker wax there to the left, so newer at the right and older at the left. But it's all the way. All looks nice and healthy. Thank you very much for watching our video today, and as always guys, subscribe, share, you're doing a fantastic job, and take care.